Hello everyone, this is Dhir and welcome back to my channel Itechcreator. Guys, today I am here with another video. So guys, today I will show you how to format your own laptop and how to install operating system in your laptop. So guys, let's watch the full video. I will show you step by step. Samsung. You can see guys, this is the laptop Samsung or the model. I will show you now. You can see guys, this is the model. What is the problem? Now let's check. Core i3 second generation. This is the problem. So guys, now I will format this laptop. You can see guys, this is the Windows 10 64-bit original CD. So guys, before going to start, I will clean the laptop. Open the back cover. You can see here guys, I am opening the back cover. Battery, and you can see here guys, now I will clean this area. I will clean outside of the room. Now cleaning is complete. You can see guys, cleaning is complete. Now I will keep the back up. This is the external hard disk. I will keep the backup here. So guys, before going to format, I will keep the data here. This is the external hard disk. So guys, this is the Windows 10 64-bit full version, Windows 10 Pro. So I will install here. Guys, here I will upgrade this Windows 7 to Windows 10 because this Windows 7 is original. I mean the Windows 7 is already activated with the CD key. You need not to insert again the CD key of Windows 10. You can see here, guys, installation is complete. Just a moment. You can see here, guys, installation is complete. Now let's check. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share. Activated.